Hello friends, let us now learn about the syndromic management of sexually transmitted diseases, STDs. So we have kit 1, which is grey, where we have, if the patient comes with urethral or anorectal or cervical discharge. If the patient comes with urethral, anorectal or cervical discharge, then you should use kit 1, that is grey, where we give tablet azithromycin. 1 gram tablet is given, whereas tablet cefixime is given, which is 400 milligrams. 1 tablet is given. 1 tablet. Azithromycin 1 gram and tablet cefixime 400 milligrams. 1 gram is given if the patient comes with urethral, anorectal or cervical discharge. If the patient comes with vaginal discharge, then green color vaginal discharge, because vaginal discharge due to trichomonas is green, so you can use kit 2, which is again green colored kit, where we give tablet secnidazole, which is 2 grams, that is 1 tablet. And you can also use tablet fluconazole, which is 150 milligrams. 1 tablet can be used. Tablet secnidazole 2 grams, 1 tablet, and tablet fluconazole 150 milligrams, 1 tablet. Then if it causes genital ulcer disease, if the patient comes to you with genital ulcer disease, and if it is non-herpetic genital ulcer disease, then we use kit 3, which is white, where we can use injection benzathine penicillin. We can use injection benzathine penicillin, which is 2.4 million units, 1 vial, plus you will also use tablet azithromycin 1 gram. This kit also has 10 ml of disposable syringe. Why? You should give injection, so this kit also has 10 ml of disposable syringe, and you also need a needle for giving injection, so it contains 21 gauge needle, and it also contains 1 vial of 10 ml sterile water. It also contains 1 vial of 10 ml sterile water. Okay. Next we have genital ulcer disease. If this genital ulcer disease is also non-herpetic, and it is also non-herpetic, and one more important thing is, and if the patient is allergic to penicillin, then you can use kit 4, which is blue colored kit, where you use tablet doxycycline 100 milligrams BD for 14 days. And we can also use tablet azithromycin 1 gram. Tablet can also be used. Okay. Next. The next disease is if there is genital ulcer disease, and this time if this genital ulcer disease is due to herpes. So if it is herpetic genital ulcer disease, in such cases we can use kit 5, which is red colored, where we have tablet acyclovir 400 milligrams TDS, that is thrice daily, we give for 7 days. And if there is lower abdominal pain, And if there's lower abdominal pain, then you should suspect pelvic inflammatory disease or PID. In such cases, we can use kit 6, which is yellow colored kit, where you have tablet. We can use tablet cefixime, which is 400 milligrams tablet. You can use, or you can use tablet metronidazole, which is also 400 milligrams BD for 14 days. And we can also use tablet doxycycline, which is 100 milligrams BD for 21 days. Doxycycline 100 milligrams BD for 21 days can be given. Sorry, this is 14 days, I'm sorry. BD for 14 days. Tablet doxycycline BD for 14 days. Then we have last kit. If this is associated with inguinal bubo, if you can see inguinal bubo, then we also use kit 7, which is black colored kit, where you have tablet doxycycline 100 milligrams BD for 21 days. BD for 21 days. And also we can use tablet azithromycin 1 gram. Okay, 1 tablet. So these are the different drugs which are used in this syndromic management of sexually transmitted diseases. Thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you.